stood a house upon a street where I was born to die, where I was born to die. A calloused home just on a hill where we all lived a lie, where we all lived a lie. The youngest one, I was the lamb summoned to the slaughter, used as the family scapegoat, 'cause I was the youngest daughter. Love was not the center, it was only just a word, a twisted word too often said, but deaf ears never heard. Inflicted are today